Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the ultimate phone changing effects in CapCut. So if you want to make your text pop with an awesome phone changing effects in CapCut, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can smoothly transition between different phones for a dynamic and eye-catching video edit. So first, you can just open your project, or you can open a new video by clicking on new projects in here. Okay, I'm going to just use this one, I think. Now you can just add the tags first. Click on the tags and add tags. Okay, I'm going to just write CapCut. Now click on the check icon, adjust the duration. And here you can just split the tags and delete the rest of them. Sorry, delete this one. And now you can copy the tags and put it side by side like this. Now just repeat the same steps for the entire video. Okay, I'm going to just go with this one. And after that, here you can click on the second part of the text and go to style. Now you can just choose a different font for each of the part of the text. So click on the next one, style, font, and choose a new font for the next one. You can also change the style if you want to, but I'm going to just change the font. So you can adjust the the duration of each one to how you like it, but I think it might be good if you make it just quick. Okay, last one in here. I'm going to go with this one. And let's see the result. I think it might be better if you make it quick, so let's just shorten it a bit. Just drag like this and adjust the durations to how you like it. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.